everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama, and we are standing outside in the lot. It's a nice quiet Saturday. My name is Christina, also known as the Mobile Home Mama. I think I just said that, but I'm the general manager here at Champion Homes Retail Center in Topeka, Indiana, and customers come here from all over the country and have us personalize their homes for them. We're going to show you a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home called the Montclair today. Super excited to get inside of this one and show you guys. It will be a sale home starting April 1st. That means it's going to be on an extra special clearance. The floor plan will be on clearance, so you may choose your own colors, choose your own options, and we'll build it for you. Currently we're at about, 4 to 6 week build time. So if you're ready to build, please give me a call. Also check out our website, www.factorydirectmobilehomes.com. This home is front loaded. And what that means is when you are at the front of the home, you're gonna see either a kitchen or a living area. This one has a kitchen. This is part of our Prime Home series. You're gonna have a 2x6 standard wall. That means you're gonna get the best insulation that we offer, which is an R19. Also has 200 amp standard electrical. So a lot of great features in this home. Lots of counter space, check that out. We've got Roca Bosco for the countertop pattern. We've got a laminate backsplash here. You're gonna wanna protect your wall. So we'll take that about 4 inches up, it looks like, to protect your wall from any splashing water, especially if you like to get crazy, or if you're like me, you have a little grandbaby who needs a bath, you're gonna have water splashing everywhere. Comes included with the island, with some storage in the island too. Stove, refrigerator, hot water heater, and furnace are the standard appliances in our homes. You can add a dishwasher or even a microwave over the range if you like. This customer opted for the hood. Nice spacious living room. This is about 1,000 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Blinds are an option. The best part is we install them. It's some tedious work when you're installing blinds. Do you agree? Here's bedroom number 2. Bath number 2, we've got a vanity, your tub shower combination, white on the cabinets. Bedroom number 3. Utility room is up next. This has an optional reverse aisle, so we've got both doors on the front of the home. Utility room, furnace door back there. You're gonna have your water heater as well behind a panel with some hex screws. And finally, the primary bedroom. Another great feature of the Prime Home series is you're gonna have a walk-in shower that's also part of the Prime package option, which is a standard feature at the retail center. Here's your walk-in closet. And finally, your shower. Nice and sweet and simple. Hello. Looks kind of creepy, don't it, when I'm holding this light? Ooh. Just kidding, I'm not creepy. Sweet as could be. It's gonna be a great price. Check out the website. I can't tell you the price on the YouTube, but you can sure call me. You can reach me at 260-383-1009 or shoot me a text. If you'd like to come visit me here at the factory, I'll put you and your family in a very nice hotel. Show you step by step how the homes are made, and also show you some beautiful homes on display. As always, thanks for watching.